Hello everyone, John here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I bought a hub here from Weapon. So this is the Weapon Sniper 9 Pawls Lite. This is the black edition. I think I'm not sure if there is a different color, but yeah. So here's the box itself. I bought this for 2,500 pesos in the local bike shop here in my area. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this is the front hub. So it's a quick release, non-boost, and what I like about this is it does have two sealed NBK bearings, one here, and then you have your quick release screws. Then the rear, it has its own also. Let's put that way, and here it is. So technically it's called 9 Pawls, but when you open it, as far as I saw some here on YouTube, that it's only 3 Pawls, but it's divided into 3. So 3 times 3 is 9 Pawls. So sound check. Alright guys, just want to do a quick unboxing and shows you what's inside of the box. So this is the Weapon Sniper Lite 9 Pawls. So thank you so much for watching my video, everyone.